Hello everyone, this is Pooja. Now we are going to discuss about data science process. The data science process is a step-by-step way to turn raw data into useful information. It starts with understanding the problem, collecting and cleaning data, then exploring it, building and testing models, and finally using the result to make decisions or solve real-world problems. Introduction to data science. Data science means using computers, maths, and logic to find useful information hidden inside data. For example, when YouTube suggests videos or banks catch fake transactions, that's data science helping behind the scenes. It also includes areas like statistics, machine learning, and making charts. Importance of data science process. The data science process is important because it helps companies make smarter decisions based on facts, not just guesses. It helps them be more accurate and efficient, like knowing what customers want or predicting weather. Basically, it turns raw data into useful advice. Steps in data science process. This slide shows the main steps data scientists follow. First, understand the problem, then collect the right data, clean the data to fix errors, look closely at the data to find patterns, build a model to make predictions, check if the model works well, use the model in real life, keep watching and improving it. Next, problem definition and data collection. Before doing anything, you need to know what you want to solve, like predicting future sales or detecting spam mails. After that, collect the data you need from places like website or service, similar to gathering ingredients before cooking a meal. Next, data cleaning and exploration. Clean your data by removing mistakes or empty spots so it is ready to use. Then explore it by drawing graphs and charts to see interesting trends or patterns. Using tools like Python makes it easier to do these tasks quickly and clearly. Then, model building and evaluation. Here, you build a computer program that can predict a design based on your data. You use different methods like decision trees or regression. After building, you test the model's accuracy using specific scores to see how well it works compared to others. And finally, deployment and insights. Finally, you put your model to use in apps, websites, or systems that people can access. Then you share what you learned by showing easy reports or dashboards using tools like Power BI or Tableau. So, I hope everyone understand the results. Thank you.